Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create labels and organize your chats in WhatsApp Web using the EasyBee Chrome extension. First, open the Chrome Web Store and search for EasyBee. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Once installed, open WhatsApp Web in your browser. Next, you'll notice a new top bar and side panel added by EasyBee. To create a label, click the plus icon in the top bar. You can choose to create either a label for general organization or a funnel for more precise categorization. Now, give your label a descriptive name that helps you identify the group of chats. Once named, click Create to set up your label. After creating the label, go through your chat list and select the conversations you want to include under this label. When you've selected the contacts, click Save, and that's it. Your labeled category is now ready, making it easier to organize and navigate your WhatsApp web chats efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.